10. The tilt down reveal shot. Start by filming upwards while standing close to your car. Slowly move backward while tilting the Osmo Pocket downward and lowering it. This is the perfect way to establish the scene and introduce the car. Holding your camera close to the ground will create this dramatic effect. This shot looks great from any possible angle. 9. The fake drone shot. For this shot, attach your Osmo Pocket to a tripod and extend it all the way. Connect your Osmo Pocket to your phone using the free DJI Mimo app. Now track your car by dragging a square over it on the screen. Now lift your Osmo Pocket up, walk backwards and slowly lower your camera. The auto tracking should do its magic. And the result is absolutely stunning. 8. The 360 spin wheel shot. Set your Osmo Pocket to the 360 spin mode by tapping this button on your Osmo Pocket. Next, choose the spin shot and select 180 degrees. Setting on your diagonal lines will help you keep your wheel in the middle of the frame for the smoothest result. Get close to the wheel and tap the spin button. Now walk back slowly and keep your wheel in the middle of the frame where the lines cross. It might take a few tries to get it right. Try to keep your camera at the same height throughout your shot. Add a little speed ramp and your shot will look something like this. Combine this shot with a 360 emblem shot, for example, and it makes an awesome transition. A quick pro tip for every car videographer: always use an ND plus CPL filter. The ND filter will help you get the correct exposure, and the CPL filter will get rid of unwanted reflections on the car's paint and windshield, making it look more professional and cinematic. 7. The FPV Emblem Shot. Start close to the emblem and pull back in a smooth motion while twisting your wrist to create this dynamic effect. If you want, you can reverse this clip in post-production. 6. The FPV Rear Wingshot. Start next to your car and walk around it in a half circle motion going from side to side, while slowly twisting your wrist to create this dynamic motion. Also get close to your car to make it look more dramatic. Add a little speed ramp to spice things up. 5. The push-in reveal shot. Hold your camera close to the ground and have it tilted down. Slowly move forward and tilt the camera up towards the car. Make sure the car is centered. Be creative and make sure to try other angles. 4. The orbit shot. This one is an all-time classic. Hold your camera around hip height, slowly walk around your car, keeping the same distance from the car throughout the whole shot. Enabling the diagonal lines might help you with keeping your car centered for the best framing. You can use some speed ramps in post-production to add some spice. 3. The dashboard pull-out. This is a great way to showcase the interior of the car. For this shot I'm going to use a LED bar to lighten up the interior, otherwise the shot is way too dark. Take a close-up from the interior and slowly pull out of the window while twisting your wrist to add some movement. 2. The top-down crane shot. This shot gives a very unique perspective. Start by holding your camera in the sky, tilt it down over your hood. Walk backwards, bring down the camera and tilt upwards at the same time. Keep your camera close to the car to make the shot look more dramatic. One. The wheel pan shot. Center your wheel in the middle of your frame. Slowly walk around it, keeping the same distance throughout the shot. Keep your camera at a low angle for the best possible result. If you want to learn how to make these cinematic car shots while driving, make sure to watch this video.